Want to see me how I'm going to making this vegetable delicious meal, please just stay tuned. See, it's looking very delicious. Welcome to Beyonce BB TV. Today video I'll be showing you guys how to stay healthy during the corona period time. As you can see, I'll be showing you guys some lovely recipe on how to stay healthy during the lockdown. That is my recipe that I've already arranged and make everything fixed and put in places. So I'll be showing you step as I'll be explaining you the ingredients or the recipe on how I put them in place. That is my potatoes, and that is my chicken breast and mushrooms, yeah, and also that is my broccoli, my paprika, that is yellow, green, and the red. It's very healthy, as you can see, as you know. The chicken breast as well is very healthy for your health, and champion as well. The mushroom, as you see, I have my fresh tomatoes that I already fixed, and my onion, my tomatoes. I remove all the seed in it, because sometimes when you eat tomato seed, especially when the food is also meant to be eaten by kid, the seed normally don't get digest easily. So what I do is I always remove the seed of the tomatoes and make sure everything is well clean and prepared. And that is my carrot, already been fixed and put and clean. So guys, as you see, that is what I'll be using, like a little bit to spice it up a little bit. Although normally I will not be using any Maggi, because Maggi is full of with a lot of fat. So this is what I have for today. It's made out of a lot of stew with vegetables and stuff like that. So that's what I'll be using, and that is my oil that I'll be using, the snap oil. You can as well use a normal oil like this, sunflower oil and all sort of thing, but this is what I'll be using to stay healthy. That's what I use. So guys, just watch and I'll be showing you guys on how I'll be doing it. And what I have to do is, that is what I'll be putting it to bake it. As you see it like that, I have to put all this vegetable on it, then I have to put in my oven and wait for 15 minutes, and everything is ready. So guys, stay tuned and watch it how it goes step by step. My process, I have to put my oil first, and then I have to put my potatoes in. Make sure I put my vegetable. Guys, as you can see, I've already put everything in my tray, my baking pan. So I'll be putting a little bit of water so that everything get cooked in the oven, just like a half glass of water. Okay, it's okay like that. I already like have to also put out some of the spices I do. And we'll put in some of the oil. Okay. And lastly, but not the least, as I earlier showed, one of my videos that I made, I showed how to use this. You always have to use this as the cover that we put in the oven. That's how I have to do, for it not to get burned. So you have to always put in the water and then get it close, and then in the oven.
So now we're gonna take it in the oven.
My daughter is helping me, and I'm also trying to show her how to do it. So So I'm done. Then I have to take it to the oven, and then let's see how it's going to be at the end.
Outcome.
The outcome is going to look really fantastic and delicious. And you don't forget, it's going to be 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. So that is 15 minutes, and I'm about to take it out now. I'm going to be showing you how the end result is going to look like. That is how my baked paper is. It's still in very good condition, does not get burned or does not also produces smoke. So guys, watch with me and let's see how it's going to look like at the end. Okay, so guys, watch with me. Let me open it and show it how it looks like.
Outcome.
Looking so delicious. It's still very okay. It's not bad because as the procedure asks you to always put in cold water before you can use it like your lid. It's not always good to use the aluminum folio because it's not healthy, so I always make sure I use this one. So guys, yeah, as you can see, that is how it looks like. So it's ready now to save and start eating. Everything is ready. Look, that is my kartoffel. It's ready.
Yummy.
My potatoes. My potatoes already. See, everything is okay. It's ready.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below.
Bye. We love you guys. I'm in the kitchen with my daughter, so don't get confused when you hear her speaking behind the camera because we are together cooking. So guys, we love you guys. Stay blessed.
Bye.
Bye.